When we talk about wants and we talk about needs, the renovation of the convention center was a need. The Waterloo Convention Center is in the heart of downtown. It has an impact on how many people actually come to our downtown. It has an impact over the commerce and the restaurants and the hotel around our downtown. And we needed to make sure that this place is one that our entire community can be proud of. So we were fortunate to form a partnership with ISG for the renovations, and also for us to think outside of the box how amazing this place could be. And so this has really transformed over the course of the last year or two.
Project for us as ISG started off as a facility assessment back in 2018. From the facility assessment, it was pretty apparent that this building was one of the buildings that had the most amount of needs and one that would make probably the most impact for the community.
I've been involved with this project since 2019. One of the first things when we set foot in here the first time was, the building's tired, but it's got good bones and there's a lot of possibility, and we could see the vision up front and it just got better from there.
One of the biggest things was the HVAC equipment was undersized for the building, so there were lots of heating and cooling issues. Really, the entire building had very minimal updates from the 1970s when it was originally built.
The exhibit hall we identified early on was a very early need because the paint was peeling in the ceiling, and we decided to really upgrade that look to create what you see today. And then we also were able to take advantage of some downtime during the pandemic to accelerate some of the process and completely transform the entire space into what it is today.
ISG did an incredible job of pulling the many stories together, whether it's from community members, whether it's from our city staff, but they did a great job of taking all those thoughts and those ideas and making that a tangible dream.